What's up, bro? Welcome back to another episode with your boy Coach Ja. Today we're going to be going over the top 3 reasons why you get short putts. I'm missing 4 or 5 footers. Coach Ja, help me please. Short putts are usually defined as 6 footers and in. If you can make a 5 footer, you actually gain almost a quarter of a shot on your opponent. Absolutely one of the quickest way to bring down your scoring average by avoiding those big numbers. Number 1, overemphasizing the value of club path and undervaluing the importance of delivering the club face at impact. At this distance, your starting direction is just dependent way more on club face at impact. While most of us is worried about having a cut stroke or delivering a perfect club path, while that is important, it is far less important than directing your attention towards making an understanding of how you're going to deliver that club face at impact. Number 2, you're taking way too long to read that short putt and you still struggle to make an accurate read. If you're only relying on that old saying of never giving the hole away, you're probably failing. Learning how to read the green accurately and swiftly is so important in allowing you to direct your attention towards other skills that can help you make more short putts. Number 3, you're a peaker, and if you're a poker player, you be a bad one. There's a high correlation between practicing quiet eyes and achieving good results. Focusing on simple keys like trying to hit the sweet spot and narrowing your focus on small spots can help elevate your performance and mental skills. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below and tell me which one of these keys you struggle with the most. Peace.